Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our very important topic, that is a prototype in JavaScript. This particular prototype you can never see in any programming language. This kind of approach. Okay, this is a completely different and the new concept of JavaScript. Okay, and what is prototype? Prototype is an object. Prototype is an object that is associated with every function and object by default. Okay, it will associated with every function and object by default. Okay, if we want to add a new properties, like whether it is a function, which is a variable, anything at later stage, means you assign something, means you created something function and you need to assign something for that particular property into that particular function or class. Then we can take the help of prototype. Okay, with the help of prototype we can able to use what exactly this main uses, right? We can able to say, now we created for one function, one class. Okay, inside the class we created some variables and functions. Okay, but I want to add, and after adding completion and everything is execution, then in the middle I want to add something inside the function or variable or a class. Okay, class, inside the class if you are going to add something. Okay, then how, means in normal approaches we cannot able to create, but by using the prototype we can able to add in the middle of that. Means middle also you can able to add and you can able to access. Okay, how we can able to add in a function level. Okay, in the function level how we can able to add, we'll see the small demo. Okay, going to create the file called prototype function.js. Okay, and here I'm going to use for function creation. Okay, in the function I'm going to use for way employee. In here each function, it is become a object of type, right, in our JavaScript. Due to that I'm going to use for this keyword and name. Okay, and I'm going to use for my name. Okay, and this dot salary equal to 5,000. Okay, these are the things I have in the two variables. Okay, now I can able to access by using the object creation of that particular employee table or employee class. Okay, in a console dot log, and we can able to use for emp dot name. Okay, at the same time you can able to access for salary. Okay, now you can see here, now if I go and run this particular one, node dot slash. Okay, now you see we can able to access. Now if I want to add something to the variable, something to a variable, okay, whether can I able to access or not. Okay, now emp dot, I'm going to use for gender. Okay, gender I'm using, and here I can able to use for male. Okay, now even I can able to access for console.log. Now you can use for emp dot gender. Okay, we can able to access. Now if I run now, you can see all three values I can able to access. Now if I want to create a new and if I want to access those values, how can I do? Now this one I'll keep it here. Now if I go into display, now this is my emp1. Sorry, I need to delete this one because I don't want to add again, because already we have added, right? Now just I'm going to accessing for the genders and all. Okay, see whether how it will be. See, the last one it will display as a undefined because we are not able to access for that one, because and there is no value because we added for employee gender here, and there is another employee one object also presented. For that there is no gender for it. Okay, it is defined for undefined. Then how to overcome this kind of issue means we can able to use this particular thing. There is a one more way, that is called prototype. Okay, prototype, how you can able to use. First we need to give the class name. This is a class name dot prototype dot what you want to add for that gender, and what gender you need to add, male, semicolon. Now you can comment this one. Okay, now I'm going to comment this one. Now again I'm running for this. Now see, now both the places it is displayed, both the places it will display. Like this we can able to a variable, we can able to add it. Can I able to add only for variables? No, even you can able to add for something into a class also. If you want to add something inside the class variable, then also you can able to do it. How we can able to use it? Prototype class dot js. Okay, now here I'm going to create a class a. Okay, and constructor I'm going to create. Okay, and here I'm going to use for eid and ename. Okay, now inside that this dot eid equal to eid, then this dot ename equal to ename. Okay, and now I want to add something variable into a class. Variable into a class. How we can able to add means a dot prototype dot what value you want to add, salary. Salary I want to add. Now the salary become a 5,000. Okay. Now you can able to create an object equal to new a. Okay. It will accept for there are three values, two values, because constructor is defined for two values. For these two values you can able to pass for anything like 1 comma Lokesh. Okay, and then we need to console dot log, and we need to define for this all the values, right? Now here I'm going to use for this dot ed comma this dot ename, this dot gender, sorry, not gender, salary. Okay, now if I'm going to run now, undefined. Okay, so we are calling outside this one. display obj dot display Lokesh, it is displayed. You are able to use the name, right? Obj dot display. Yeah. See object, actually I forgot to use for object dot salary. Now you can see 5,000 also it is displayed. Okay. Even you can able to create another object, and I can you can able to call the particular one, and again you can able to use it. Okay, like this we can able to add the variable inside the class also. Okay, both the cases it will work as expected without any issue. Okay, and if I want to add something function to the class, then how we can able to add? For this also we can able to do it by using the prototype. A dot prototype function as a show, okay, equal to function, okay, curly braces, and here you can able to use for console dot log, and you can able to display for anything. Okay, even you can able to display anything, and you can able to write for uh, prototype function. Okay, prototype function. Even by using this object dot show, you can able to call the function and display. See, prototype function also displayed. Like this you can able to add for function directly, function variable you can able to add it, and you can create the class and you can able to add the variables, or you can able to create a function by using the prototype, and you can able to call it in the middle. You can able to call anywhere. There is no issue by using the prototype. You can create for n number of object, and you can able to access those values without any impact. Okay, this called prototype in detailed format. I hope it this entire information helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.